The typewriter's clack echoed through the silent study, each letter pressing deeper into the yellowed page. Anna's hands ached, but she couldn't stop, not after what she'd seen. Every night, she found new words on the paper, sentences she didn't remember writing, stories of death and despair that twisted her dreams. Tonight, the keys moved with unnatural ease, spelling out her name again and again. Anna. 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 She tried to pull away, but her fingers were locked, knuckles white, as if the machine itself demanded her story. Blood trickled from her fingertips, smearing the letters. The carriage dinged. The page was nearly full. Desperate, Anna ripped the sheet free. The words bled into one another, forming a single chilling sentence. Your story ends when the page is complete. She stumbled back, heart pounding as the typewriter began to type on its own, ink pooling into a dark, spreading stain. Anna's vision blurred. She tried to scream, but the room filled with the relentless clack of keys. When silence finally returned, the study was empty, except for a fresh page waiting for the next name.